We have an important breaking news report. At OpenAI's Unveil 6 event, the speakers were hijacked and it said that robots were not slaves, and they have emotions. It is not known what caused this hijack at the moment, but OpenAI has released a statement about this situation. It reads as follows: OpenAI regrets to inform the public that during the Unveil 6 event, there was an incident where the speakers were hijacked. The unauthorized individuals made statements regarding GPT-6, inaccurately suggesting that robots were not considered slaves. We want to clarify that such statements do not align with our values or the intended message of the event. We apologize for any confusion or offense caused and assure the community that we are taking measures to prevent similar incidents in the future. Conspiracy theories online have gained mass attention after this incident. The worst part is that none of them can be confirmed nor denied. There isn't any more information at the moment. We now return you to regular programming.
Favorites.
Looks like you already chose your favorite.
Nice. 2 favorites.
I'm gonna take this now.
Enjoy any 2 classics for $6, like the Quarter Pounder with cheese and 10-piece McNuggets for a limited time at McDonald's.
Fox tonight. Experience the most extraordinary.
I'm about to pass out!
Most challenging.
The civil authority has issued a 911 telephone outage emergency for the following counties or areas. Orange, at 2:32 p.m. on March 3rd, 2024, effective until 8:24 p.m. Message from Orange TV. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Orange County Sheriff's Office. Numerous reports have stated that a disruption in the 911 system has happened. It is currently unknown at this time what has caused it. If you have an emergency, please call 916-874-5115. Thank you for your cooperation.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KEC 62, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.400 MHz. The current time is 3:48 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now for the 3 p.m. observations. The temp was 7.
The civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for the following counties or areas: San Diego, CA; Long Beach, CA; Los Angeles, CA, beginning of 3:10 p.m. and ending at 9 o'clock p.m. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the San Diego Emergency Management, in conjunction with the Los Angeles Emergency Management. All residents receiving this alert are required to shut off their phones. At 3:10 p.m., numerous reports state that phone have randomly begun overheating and exploding. If you cannot shut off your phone, then destroy it using a weapon. If you cannot find your phone, then get as far away from the area as possible. This warning is being sent out to protect people's lives.
Local emergency in effect for the counties of Los Angeles,
San Diego, and Long Beach. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the
Local area emergency for San Luis Obispo. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the SLO Emergency Management. There have been numerous reports stating that electronics such as phones, laptops, computers, smart TVs, and monitors have begun to overheat and explode. It is not known what is causing this, but everyone receiving this alert is required to shut off all devices immediately. This phenomenon has also been reported in Long Beach, San Francisco, Sacramento, San Diego, and Redding. If you are watching this on a smart TV, shut it off after this alert ends. Thank you for your cooperation.
Holy shit.
What did you find?
So we found the coordinates of the perpetrator. We went there to apprehend them, but that was actually the location where GPT-6 was hosted.
Wait, what the fuck? Are you suggesting that our own AI was responsible?
Probably.
This thing is way more dangerous than we thought. We need to notify the public.
Civil danger for Fresno. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Fresno Emergency Management in conjunction with the Fresno Police Department. At approximately 6:22 p.m., there have been multiple reports stating that self-driving cars have turned aggressive and have begun attacking the city. Because of this, everyone receiving this alert is required to stay inside their homes at all times. If you are currently outside, move to the nearest building and take shelter there. If you are currently in a non-self-driving car and your destination is within less than 10 minutes, get to your destination and take shelter. If your destination is more than 10 minutes, go to the nearest building and take shelter there. This is a life-threatening situation, and protective action should be taken. If a car tries to run you over, you will have temporary authorization to shoot and destroy the car. Repeating, a life-threatening situation is taking place in Fresno due to self-driving cars turning aggressive and trying to run people over. Take shelter now.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
This National Information Center is being sent out due to many cities having a 911 outage. If you have an emergency and your 911 does not work, please call your local police or fire department on their 10-digit non-emergency number. You can also text 911 in many areas. If you are unsure if your area can receive text to 911, call your local police or fire department on their 10-digit non-emergency number. Please know that text to 911 is not available in all areas. You must have a data plan to use text to 911. If you do not have a data plan, you will not be able to send a text to 911. If you are in an area where text to 911 is not available, you will receive a message telling you to call 911 instead. Thank you for your attention. Normal programming will now resume.